ndị be anyị kenekwa m unu. Ọ bụrụ ihe ọfụ na Ijele apụtago. Yes, ọ bụrụ ozi ihe ọfụ na Ijele apụtago. Mana aghọtara m onwe some things na-eme. Ijele pụta. Mana amara m na ọfụlụ Soludo na prison ebe ọ bịa visit Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ nụrụ na Soludo na kwelu Nnamdi Kanu. Because I don't know. Ever since Ijele pụta, there this agitation against Soludo Juwepota, which I'm still trying to understand. This agitation, and with this massive agitation towards Soludo, and I begin to ask again, on Soludo meli Ijele, konwele bi Ijele for Soludo na nga ebobia makamazi na konwele news onulu na Soludo na fight ke wepta makamazi na Kanu pata. Ko Soludo so na ndị dela akwụkwọ ji wee ga prison, because I'm still trying to connect the dots together. This is not the first video, this is not the second one, this is actually like the third video on Apo Soludo n'ime ever since Opatalazi. So I say because Solukwana mnene because na agwa ofu onye from kagala ego eke. For before ndị man asị why posting Ijele nye. This is Igbo channel. Anything that has to do with Igbo, in as much as I anaghị post ebe a na-ezu oshi, I anaghị post ebe a na-edina mmadụ, as long as they has to do with Igbo. But Igbo culture, Igbo religion, Igbo gossip, Igbo anything that has to do with Ndigbo, I na-post ebe. So when you like Ijele, because don't come to the comment section why you say why did you post on your channel? Happy fun the chole ike ka ha get. Sometimes let us learn to respect other people's opinion, other people's view on something, other people's opinion on some issues. Because na chukwu kele mmadụ ogologo ke ndị mkpụmkpụ ke ndị buru ibu ke ndị talaro ma wayo ji wee kee ya ka ọ dị ọna. Yotago. So because let us learn to manage it the way it is. So because ndị be anyị ka ọ dịkwan.
Yeah, my people, I greet you and salute all of you. What's up? What's going on? What's popping? To say that what's pumping? Hey, what's popping, guys? How the go? The go. Grand Rise nice. Salute everyone. Like the video as you're joining, like and hit the share button if you don't mind. Thank you, my people. Welcome. 7:31. Oyetona Biola. Yes, my people. I'm having a slow connection. The connection is very, very poor. Very poor. So, guys, as you on Curtis Green, yeah, well done. So, my wonderful people, I don't know how many of you saw the Governor Soludo the speech he gave at an event, I believe is Washington, District of Columbia, where he told the Anambra people that those behind all the buying way down Anambra, 99.99, I quote him, 99.99% of those people are Ndigbo. In other words, he's not a Fulani. He's now a Sabo. He is now a Sabo. You know, he said he's now breaking news in 2025. What we've been saying since 2020. He's not breaking the news in 2025. At least he's better than the rest of the governors. At least he's better than them. But one thing he didn't do well is just stopping short of naming the people. All the people you said, you even asked the question and said, how do those people in the bush feed? Now ask yourself, who are the people in the bush? Who are the people in the bush, and who are the people that say that they are looking for Fulani? And we told you people that this has been Igboland all along. We told you this has been Igboland all along, and they say we hate our people. So Soludo is now paid by the Fulani Caliphate again now. Favor Jabo, my sister, longest time. Chika neighbor, I see you. Sunrise Abo Ikanu, Ona Kandenza, Osa Itochukwu, Victor Zuma for salute. So I've passed on to Daniel Saga. I greet you guys. Hit the like button and share the video, please. Remember when we started telling them that every crime is local? Even in Plateau State, do you see the one they just arrested and by some of his men? Joshua Jiang or Guyand, depending on how you mention it. All of these things you are seeing. And how do you know that something is manufactured? Is that those you know that have never been up to any good will be the first to start shouting. They will be the first to start screaming blue mother. Okay, anti-favor, I didn't know. You know, Chimeze doesn't know how far we've gone. Daniel is Selogbe, my brother. Jeffrey, how you doing now? Onebuchi Mwobu. Messi Ebi in Ono Wimo. Dalu, Chinedu Mweze. Are you understanding it now? So, the governor is now saying what we've been saying. Not just we've been saying, what we've known to be true. What we've known to be true. This is what the governor is now telling them in America. And I love the fact that he's saying it in the USA. Why did I say that? These people are the people that funded the criminal Nnamdi Kanu more than anyone else. More than anyone else. Where is this group, this faceless group that call themselves World Igbo Congress? We were there now. We were here when they said they raised how many millions, but not a dime to fix the schools back home. Look at the markets, how they are looking the same way they looked 200 years ago. No factories, nothing. But you said you are giving how many millions? $5 million or what? Now see what your $5 million has gotten you, which is Okenofia Ngwelenuzo. Now the governor went there and met you people to tell you what, like the governor didn't need to come and tell you. All you need, we needed all this while was just call some people back home and listen to voice of reason. Okay, Auntie Vevo, you inbox me because I may not be able to see your comment. It will take time to see your comment after the video. Just write me in the inbox, then I'll inbox you my number. Are you people understanding? So, it took Governor Soludo to go and tell you people, blessed I greet you. To come tell you people before before your brain go work. So, what's the difference between what the governor said and what we've been saying all along? I don't know why they've not made it possible to be playing video directly on a live screen. If not, I would have played the video for you. Those that have not watched the video, go to Blessed page and watch it. She even sent me a 4-minute video. Okay? Go to Blessed page. That was her video last night. The same thing we'll be saying. 5 years later, 5 years later, and in those 5 years, Asia Abogiyadi Uli is gone. Somebody help me tag Keshosu TV. At least what you are saying has been said by the governor of Anambra State. Don't you people think I should invite or appear on Keshosu TV's program? Yeah, I think I need to appear there. I invite him. Do you people think we should invite him here, or I should go to his platform, help him build his platform? I think I should go there, help him build his platform. But one thing Governor Soludo failed to mention is the name of the people. All the men in Anambra into the bush who made that statement. Who made that statement? Roy Nadi. They talk about vindication. We've been vindicated. Nani Adam. We've been vindicated. Okay, I will invite him. We've been vindicated. Nani Adam. Nani Adam. The fact that also people are now crying to the federal government for help. The fact that also people have gone from inviting them and giving them a base in their place to chasing them away and calling the government to come and flush them out. My dear, we've won. We've won. Take a victory rap. We go the rubber for their face, and some people say, oh, we are bragging. Why won't we? Why won't we brag? We told you it was going to happen. Now it has happened. We are crying that we are taking credit for what we did. Really? If we are putting on black now, rolling on the ground, on a mountain, now for saying that we be the people where God descended to save you. But because we are giving it to you plain, we don't collect money. We are not telling you, giving you the news as if God is speaking to us. I'm not putting on white and bringing bell, although that one is coming on the way. Do you people want us to be doing that sort of videos? Mountain video with the bell and the white, now you already and the mother can the Sabbath. Chico mi le dalo. We won't fail to remind you single thing we said. They said we don't like our people. Oh, we are the ones. Then they said, some even went as far as saying that I am the one that owned those boys. Yes. That I'm the one. Okay, our governor don't tell you now. What does that show you? What does that show you? And this is a reason they've been trying to stifle this platform. They will not do that. They will not allow it to happen. Okay? We will not allow it to happen. Guys, I don't know if it's the network or attack. Please hit the like button on the video. Please, as you're watching, if you can hit the like button, I believe this notification will disappear. Okay? You'll be this person now. Are you understanding me? Hit the like button. So, why can't the governor himself? Now he has said it. Fine, no. I won't begrudge him for saying it. No. But saying it is our own job, not the job of the governor. Hello, Ndanamba, are you hearing me? Saying it is the job of us on social media, me and you. The governor should not be saying it like us, or the way something will be saying. He should be working towards it. Okay? He should be mobilizing. In fact, they need to cleanse the Anambra police command first. A serious governor, nah, Maka Amanda, I'm fine. A serious governor would immediately get to work. By way of providing logistics. Yes, in fact, this coming Anambra election should be all about security. It's not this election period now that someone will come and mesmerize us. When did the governor realize that it was Ndigbo that are doing this? Did he know this before now? And because it wasn't politically expedient to say it then, and now there is a pushback from the people. He is now trying to, sound like us. Mr. Governor, leave social media for us. Leave the truth exposition for us. We've been doing it. We will continue to do it, especially at our own personal risk. Everybody typing here, everybody spreading this message is not about the host. Even those watching are people that are helping to stop it. So all of us are putting our lives, money, effort, time, energy on the line to make sure everywhere clear. Okay? Olashe, leave them na themselves, then go ahead. Are you understanding me now? So, Mr. Governor, saying it is one thing, acting on it is a different thing altogether. Now, is there a now we've known that it's our people. What are we going to do? In Imo State, they've started their fake amnesty nonsense again. Every day they're turning amnesty. Every day it turn off here. When there is noise, when people are raising dust over what is happening, they will come and tell you, amnesty program. Oga, Imo State is not serious about fighting these people. Na me they tell you. Okay, before, Imo was the only one working. Okay? Then, you have an ally in Governor Peter Mba of Enugu. As he was clearing Enugu then, other people should have been up in arms immediately. Clear your own sides too. Umuoshia, buy every single one of them. That is the only way they will take you seriously. Okay? Every single one of them. They will now tell us amnesty. Amnesty for what? When they've not even surrendered. When they've not even surrendered. And this amnesty you are giving them now, amnesty from what crime? You don't give amnesty to an innocent person. An innocent person, they find an amnesty. Dr. Paul Okoye, I see you. Genesis, working. No, that is my question. Now why you are amnesty? Amnesty. Agune chamber. Which Agune chamber? Ndị one ji aka odo. Onye ndị bụkwa ndị one ji aka odo. Aka odo by day. What else by night? Aka odo ka a ga-eji ba n'ime camp. Piston. Person wey don work for World Bank. See your solution. Ndị aka odo. Ndị aka odo. Your own solution. You say Boko Haram received amnesty. Or that if they treat these people the way they treat Boko, of course, all these small boys. Now me even first call for their amnesty. You see all these ones where we say that those Oshebe boys, those ones they deserve amnesty. But all these their leaders that set up these things, oga, they need to treat them the way they are treating the top commanders of Boko Haram. Yes, even worse. Because ndị a na-ata mmadụ, ndị a na-ata anụ mmadụ, then they chop human being. Then they chop human being. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video if you haven't shared it. If they are the people you are discussing amnesty about, I'm fine with it. It's okay by me. In fact, I know how many of those boys I've removed from the camps personally. Okay? Personally. This one says Soludo is doing well. Talk about your God. Bruno to Jeno Osmo. Bruno to J Iseke. Bruno to Jazia. Carry your motor go Uli. The Orumba South and North. We're no far from governor place. Carry your better car, go there. Somebody say, so they agree, they are now like Boko Haram, my brother, and then they do the agreement now. And then they talk up now. I'm happy it didn't come from me. A person where they talk say Anambra don't good. Bruno Motogi, carry your own family. Your governor do him daughter wedding where? Senator Ndioba daughter, where they do the wedding? O nwere ofu onye nwere kidnap value ka na another village ebe n'ime mkpọrọ. Like, why are you defending? Am I not the one that is calling out my own government? Yeah. You think this is about is your state? No. When it comes to the issues of security, I have no friend there. My own friend is the person that is trying to bring security. Finish. My maternal home, their masquerade. Any other person will go send me that kind of masquerade festivity video again. Now thunder go fire am. I've been the wait make I see go post that for social media. If you can ban me mongu di ke ban egwu new mass. Yeah. In fact, we had a better egwu mass setting than that masquerade festivity. I'm telling you, you go me. I don't even shake you. I say, hey, make one enjoy and well. Make one enjoy and well. You see how this one? You say I get concerned about my security. If una wan finish that place, finish am. You remember what I tell una for 2020? Say when e go dey happen, we go dey the safe sites. Okay, I say that from safe zone we go dey tell una say we warn una. No being dey happen so. Nobody leave am. No, this thing e go escalate. They begin to carry people, give order, issue order. E go escalate. They begin to carry you. You go pay money. E go escalate. They go collect money by the person. E go escalate. Oh, no talk am. Dem be freedom fighters. E go escalate. Village don empty. Many villages, towns have become ghost towns. When they tell una say they go turn Nigeria into Somalia, wetin I tell una? Wetin I tell una? Somebody say Chioma's parents came to Lagos to accept dowry from the before if now you Davido be your in-law, you go let somebody pikin come there. Like, now so you hate the boy. Now so you hate the boy reach where you go come the tell us say make you come do occasion for that side. Okay, if himself carry security come finish go, what are the other people where they go back? How they want to go? No, ever wine the other one involved. And no one this generation and this one don't chop on our own Biafra now. Next generation go still come. Make another you see it will not happen now. All these videos where will they keep it? You say I bet more na follow the download them they keep because all these their Facebook whatever where they do all these videos if they disappear if you know they any other place you know go fit see them. Okay, Cubana chief priest park enter Lagos. If na you come, if na you come, if na you how we wan do am? They say, oh, let's be praying. But the leaders of your churches are involved in this. Hello, are you understanding me? You think the leaders of your churches are not involved? Okay, let's see. Why is it that they cry over a Christian killed in the north than the priest where they buy the day where they buy Dora Akunyili and Dora Akunyili husband, Chika Akunyili, and some other people will follow. At least now that day the whole Catholic Church supposed shut down Anambra State. Yes, now. No be only gentle get other people wey they work with. All of them get group. Okay? All of them get groups. So no be only gentle, no dey pin am on top of gentle head alone. Gentle na from Simon Ekpa gang. Okay? Na from Simon and Okigwe people who require no nonsense. They say no can do Okigwe na also. I was speaking with a brother from Okigwe this morning. He told me the last time he went to the village, he saw a military tank at that Okigwe junction. And everywhere looks like a war zone. I said, I saw it the be now. Ihe alo sumohu, Asia Iseke Mbosi. It's no good area for Anambra State. And all the communities from Imo State will join that place. All the communities from Imo State will join that place. They will go to Ebonyi and recruit boys. This influx of boys will never stop until they arrest Apele. Yes, now. Until Sapele is brought to book. And you can't tell me that all these Anambra politicians and their political actors or operatives don't know who Sapele is or where he is. Yes. And then mother no oh, we don't know who they are. All these people in the bush, they don't get them. People in the bush, na person name, na group name. To the point there was a time they were calling them unknown gunmen. Oh, na no know them. Okay. Have you noticed that they've gone from Fulani to unknown gunmen? Unknown gunmen to gunmen. Gunmen to people in the bush. Then people that say they are fighting for freedom. Don't worry. At least by 2029, when I go begin name them. By then I go know how many people will go to me. Anime tune. IEDs planted everywhere and also. Yes, now say Lilu shall fire. Lilu won't go to he get when Lilu come. Una dey do like say na new thing. No be new thing. Okay? And naming it means they will have to name the person that set it up. That is where Nnamdi Kanu comes in. Alright? You say you hear they kill Butuzo. Yes, Butuzo don't go. Zuma gone. Zuma gone Budu. See the lineup in Imo State where they don't eliminate you. Ikonso, Biggie, Onyami, Banga, Emperor. Ending cause those people wey buy those people for that Ibuta, born that policewoman wey get belly. You see all those line up. But in Anambra State, Gatuso still dey there. Other Onyekechukwu still dey waka up and down. Sapele still dey there. Benjamin Madubugu, I'm sure as the guy man is, he will want to separate himself from much action. Not that he will not be aware, but at least that one a pure guy man. Benjamin cannot now the Kanu SS. Benjamin Madubugu, I say he gets sense past both to now the Kanu and Tinas and we combine. Where that Tinas and we come talk again now. Help go do no tag the animal or that those accounts he uses. Those is project accounts. I want to see them. This one say Ifajuna of our time. Yes, na maybe Emmanuel Ifajuna na the warrior. Na maybe Emmanuel Ifajuna, but I no go end like the other Ifajuna. Na maybe the Ifajuna will go truly deal with Ojukwu, because had Ifajuna dealt with Ojukwu very well, he for save millions of lives. Yes, I will gladly answer Emmanuel Ifajuna than Ojukwu. I prefer being called Ifajuna to being called Ojukwu. At least, if you are talking about somebody that died to try to save you, it's Emmanuel Ifajuna. Let me block one Ozu. It's Emmanuel Ifajuna. You know, say I don't know history. When I don't get sense, wait. Make I even do some announcement. This interview where they cry for. Another one they come up. Okay. I go there on Parana tomorrow, 2 p.m. I go do special video to announce her. I go there on Parana 2 p.m. I think at least make the conversation go to that Biafra war. Make I explain to her very well. Ojukwu be coward, a cowardly war criminal. I better pass Ojukwu 1 million times. They call me for police, I answer them. If they call me again today, I go still go answer them. Ojukwu run. So don't classify me with Oyonna the can with some boat or boss. I know they run, you know, possible. DK stand there. Back to your Chinas and Wewu. Shebi they mention him father name. Let him mention again now. Ewu. To show you say these people, all of them are cowards. They know who they fear. They know who they fear. They know them all. Guy, you see this my big guy. He fear them die. They see him like this. It go be like made them descend into the abyss. They'd rather walk with the devil than stand this face. Butus or don't go. Okay? I can go Mwabuda man put us in a should be there whoop himself. And I hear some kepu about Mwabuda. I hear some kepu that these people sold that Mwabuda to the Nigerian government in exchange. I will block one Ozu. In exchange for Usain to get soft landing. If you notice, all the arrests they've been making have been capturing people close to Mwabuda. But all these ones that are loyal to their DOS, nothing happens to them. You no go understand. You no go understand that now. You no go understand and say something they happen there. But that one is a different video. You see all these criminals, we go to open their ash one after the other. Now gradually, small, obere, and then we need to be a mother. Small. we go dey like this, they bring all their information. I tell una no be joke o. They've started arresting each other now. These others, Simon Ekpa people, which is gentle people, they've arrested one of Chinas and Wuru people, and those people, the one of them they caught confessed that Chinas and Wuru imported some northerners. They are working with eight. Let me block one or two. You say Bukobi where they run. Tell you Bukobi say making the concord too. That one now just say story for another day. He go come perform miracle. All of those thieves, all of them where the way they gather. All of them, one after the other. None of them go survive the cleansing where don't come at Igbo now. Okay? None of them. None of them. Not all of them. Their hand down. And that ngo bala we will be them say them clear camp where they there. Now one make I tell you how those that camp take happen. You know, say these criminals know they know when they expose themselves. He goes in come answer because he's a security threat. Now we go they write the petition. He say they come out how many camps? No be camp where Ichaka where they go arrest for Shibiri. No be them dey that camp. And he go talk how you take settle them. Because when he say he comot, he no comot anything. Na Tiger Base will do the job. And I was in the thick of that operation. Ask them for Tiger Base, them go tell you for where. People who I know how they take dislodge them. Now them be the same people who buy that DPO, be say DPO from National State. And I remember that thing be say DPO when they buy for filling station with him driver and him ADC. Wetin they call am? And I remember am. Na that place I dey come. Na that place those people been there. And for am to tell una say in them comot the camp where and be say you settle them. So you are giving material support to a terrorist if that's the case. Yes. Ndara. They don't know when they expose themselves. You know, when you are lying, you don't know when you will expose your hands. You will play fast and before you know you don't expose them. People will say, Ndoshi. You see why it seems this thing will not stop? Because your church leaders, their hands down. Your governors, their hands down. Your senators, their hands down. Now me they tell you. Once more, a senator, a serving senator, current senator, then some people meet him over this my case. Say wetin dey sup? He say before they go way in, I go stop to the talk. I go write undertaking. Say I go stop to the talk about IPOB. Wetin that thing they tell you? Ndoshi, and the thing say na the experiment could be fake miracle could be. I call it fake miracle, and I'm going to prove it in court. I still maintain his miracles are fake. He doesn't have power to open any key. Vertigo is not a spiritual attack, it's a medical condition. Lovett did not happen. Jonathan the padlock man, na fake. The man from USA, you said you prayed for in your church now. You dey see everything, and the man you pray for in December, January, and the man back. I keep maintaining it. If you go end for court now, so no gonna know they try to find who na dey bribe or who na wan settle with. No, you know possible. We go continue to dey talk am. No amount of damage control go save am. Okay, Ijele, we go bring your passport, renew your Schengen visa. I no dey go anywhere. That passport go dey there. E no go come out until this case finish. Yes, if the case wan finish sef, I go draw another warrant for myself. I no dey go anywhere. We go see the head. My brother, I can't go to court. I have something very important I'm doing. I have like serious claim. Okay, and they get some things where I want arrange. Meanwhile, I tried to go today. I made some calls. It didn't work. You know, less than 24 hours notice. It doesn't work like that. That's why I couldn't go to Ogoshi in Jaka Court. That one too is another conundrum they are in. Now, which kind pastor wey go tell you saying they see God will go one come go from back door to help Ogoshi in Jaka, giving all her atrocities? Yes. Shebi they said they want go meet Showere. Egbon Showere now una wan go meet. Me, I will give him all the facts now. Make una father help una. Go meet Egbon Showere. Make Sahara even post one thing about Ogoshi. Then, as Sahara na open platform now, then go una go dey talk on our own. Me, I go still go there dey talk my own. Are you understanding how you people have lost the game? Are you understanding how you people have lost the game? You lost the plot a long time ago. Sunlight is the best disinfectant. And you are going to be shining the light on all these criminals, all of them. They will never have it the same way again. No. It don't take where they don't they run this scam, they come. It don't take where they don't they run out. They come. They say, oh, they wait till now one day. And it will not happen again. Let me they tell you. Make una still go there. In fact, that on a DIG, he get the one where they mention. We want to know true whether na him more na bring another petition. Yes. I keep saying it too. We they look for them. We they look for them. Una never, if you never watch my interview on Sahara Reporters, go watch them again. Go watch the interview. You those of you that have not watched it, go to Sahara Reporters. They posted it. I don't know why they don't put it like a raw video, but it's like an article. You click on it, it will take you to where you watch the video. It's on Nairaland now. The other guy, MOB TV, has not published it. I don't know why he has not published it, but he should. He should. He should publish it today. Tomorrow, me and Parana will they go live. Will they go live? So many files I will bring them. You know, some of them are saying, oh, Ijele did not have a kidney disease the way they said it. It was all a ruse. It's a lie. Okay, I will post some of my pictures. You see those pictures, you wouldn't know that I'm the one here, standing here speaking with you. Okay? I will post those pictures. And I think I'm going to send some of the files to Banana. In the midst of the live video, he'll be playing those videos when he gets to that side and photos. So you see what I'm talking about. We've been to hell and back, so we fear nothing. Even in the midst of it, or God, even when I was on dialysis machine, guys, I never I didn't shake 1 minute for a second. Okay. Oh, you've watched it. Don't worry, you've not heard anything. That one is just 32 minutes now. The Banana live video, I'm sure it will be like 3 hours. And it will be explosive. If they've not heard anything, they will hear something then. After that, then I will start going to Igbo programs in order to drive the message through, drive it home to those that don't understand English very well. And forget to bingo and neighbor can couldn't even have that Igbo. You see all these bingos where they are. Why some of them never grasp this message? Be say they don't understand English very well. Alinko favor, well done. Now because they don't understand, so we go there. Speak in a language where they understand. Don't be the one where all that boo boo and give them. Okay. Para really tried for my brother. Para na dependable ally now. Okay. Para na dependable ally. No be go come. Please, you people should stop coming here. Okay. Udo na you go chop go shintanta tear. How that place go dey smell? Tear. Ugoshi. Where one Mexican man wey carry am that time put for house, they tell her for live video say she dey smell. Okay. Are you understanding me? Umuewu. So Dibiakonuch, I greet you. So my people, we thank our governor Soludo for stating the obvious. But please, he says share the link. Anybody that has the link to that Sahara enter, don't go to Sahara Reporters on Facebook, you see it. Sahara TV is very difficult to find. I don't know why. So my wonderful people, in wrapping up, I beg, Shoran Parana try well. Yeah. They are good men. They are good men, no doubt. They are good men. And one thing about this platform is that we also help people. Okay, we also do help. We don't count whether you believe what we believe in or something. No, you know, when I did a call video, some people weren't happy. They said, "Yeah, this and that." He doesn't need to speak for me before I speak for him. Okay, the Matthias case, no be weaker than for head. So our standard is different from their standard. You know, guys, we need to be above these people. Of course, there are times we need to get petty, and we really get petty. Okay? But not done Akoko own. Of course, I will still do another video for Akoko. Soludo too should know he is overdoing it, except there's an information he's not giving us. Dibiakonuch, I'm trying to bring you on. I'm trying to bring you on. It's not connecting. I don't know why. He's just writing added. I don't know why he has not added. If it doesn't work, maybe you hit the request button again. Now you prison fit. Are you understanding me? Okay, somebody has posted the Sahara Reporters interview. Waiting now. Prince Uto Binna. My brother, I tried to message you. I didn't see your message. And you know, say as a page, I can't be able to text you. I can't be able to message you. I would have messaged you since. As an I greet you. I greet you. No, okay, we send the request again, I beg. Send the request again. I told them you will come out before they are shuffling that one. You too short now. That one can't come about the prophecy. Even though the Baranga next 2 years game, First we enter, next 2 years go still go first and come out. Okay. So my wonderful people, we should apologize to Governor Hope Uzodinma, Ijele and his Sabo group because he betrayed them. My brother, what about the ones that are not doing anything? What about the ones that are not doing anything? So what are you going to do about them? We are not demanding anyone's apology. We are not demanding for anyone's apology, okay? Dr. Maxwell, I don't know why. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oga Monsa.
Morning.
Makedi man.
Apa Dalu.
Yeah.
Anyway, ask him can show my face publicly. Well, we're comparing it publicly, you know, on a live session. Imana Abasiamba Imbuimuno. Apatafa outside the Begosipiru. So Dalurin imeki comment na video Soludo or broadcast or his speech. It was shocking to people that Soludo could open up to say that 99.99% of Umuaka Nonimo Fiandate de go Ndigbo. And that would help to change this narrative of onwe ha n'ebe ọbụla egburu mmadụ for body of Fulani. Because if we do not tackle this issue, everybody come to the realization that na aye create go aye woluga aka create here
Igbo Haram.
Igbo Haram or Igboland. Then Iman onwobere ebe naga. Because everybody na Igbo, every state na Igbo, maọbụ Enugu ọbụ Ebonyi, ma ya bụrụzia Anambra, ma ya bụrụzia Imo or Abia, should come to that realization that na anyị nwere very serious problem na Igbo. That na the monsters anyị create, the monsters anyị nurture, the monsters anyị pamper, the monsters anyị feeding bottle has grown up. Huh? Hefugeze nọlụzi ya n'ime ọfịa. Then na-emezi gịnị? Na-egbuzi ya n'Igbo. Na-egbuzi ya n'Igbo. Na-egbuzi ụmụ Igbo. Na-atagbu ndị mmadụ. Now, o nwere mkpu ị ga-etigide today. Like that is one of the reasons why sometimes nne our people ike agwụ. Because this was what we were crying. Remember, there was a time Soludo was speaking for Nnamdi Kanu. He spoke for Nnamdi Kanu. He even asked for his release. Now, Soludo now has come to realize that now all these people none at these camps now be careful throughout. And that Melonya shut up. So now, whatever aggression you may be thinking, where Fulani headsmen attack here, Fulani headsmen, that you can't even speak about it when you have not solved the problem of your own people that are unaliving your own people.
Well, I don't see my problem with Peter Bio. One of my problems, I don't see Anabi.
So, and it reminded me now about Peter Obi. So I also watched Peter Obi upon Channels TV on his interview show. Was interviewing him. When he come to that point, when Shehu asked him about Nnamdi Kanu, Obidona, he was no longer coherent. Obidona called Ajambene. Like he just soft pedaled it, like watered it down. Hi, Nsheki and Shimonsi politicians. politicians simply because you think if you be a man and call a spade, maybe you will lose your political relevance, or people will begin to off an Igbo, because the last election man, he cleared Anambra and all of those things. So is that the reason why you cannot say that now that nonsense should stop and call all of us knew how it started and who started it, and Igbo wasn't this like this before Nnamdi Kanu and his ESN, unknown government, IPOB. Igbo was never like this before. Actually, so I am somehow happy that na Soludo, I shared that video. In fact, I brought only that place okwu the thing. Confess that non-Ndigbo. Now, if you go now, what was Igbo you are just lying to yourself.
If you give it 3 weeks, if you don't happen this one, give it 3 weeks, they will go back to Fulani. Now their factory setting be that.
You understand? So the problem every Igbo man should be facing now, or the question every Igbo man should be asking now is, how can we stop this rubbish that you have created for ourselves? A cancer you created by yourself. Now, imagine, quantify the number of people in the Agugo na Igbo. And when some countries not a war, even 1/3 of one third of their citizens, like here, ESN or non-government Igbo. Only in also is 6,000 plus human beings.
Civilians.
6,000. Yeah?
Civilians.
6,000 plus.
Not even the Russia-Ukraine war can average such civilian
casualties there. Civilians, 6,000 plus human beings, just gone like that because of Biafra, just gone like that because of IPOB, just gone like that because of ESN unknown government, because of Simon Eba. 6,000 of also people, and still counting. Then, like I used to say, if also alone could lose like 6,000 plus, well, the number of people that would also be lost in other communities in those hot points. I usually say, was there 10,000? Just call it, sum it up to 10,000 people.
For where?
So,
how many, wait, now hold on. How many bodies does it take to fill one hole? Now, mind you, they will dump people, douse them in acid for the bodies to melt, so it will contain more people. In some communities, they filled 1, 2, 3, 4 just in one location. Now, imagine the full Imo state. There are bodies that can never be recovered inside many forests, especially those ones that are taken inside deep inside the gutter. Some have been washed away by the water. Some, what about the ones they ate? How do you count them? How do you count Orumba, South and Orumba North? Isuochi, there is one place between Oji River and the Isuochi side. That place is one dangerous, difficult terrain. Very soon you will hear the news. There are places that no one mentions at all.
Yeah.
Inside Nsukka, my brother, see, by the time it's all said and done, don't be surprised that these people have by nearly 50,000 people. 50, do you know what 50,000 people looks like? Some football stadiums you are watching their matches and you see which crowd. Some of those crowds are less than 40,000. Are you understanding me? Most of the Abiola Stadium, National Stadium here, is 60,000 seating capacity. Now imagine, my brother, please.
You know, so yeah, so any Igbo person that cannot sit down and be thinking about this thing, then I don't. That is one of the reasons why I have problem with some of these our comedians in the southeast. Some of these are skit makers.
All of them are subservient to the politicians that own these boys. How are they going to get endorsement again?
That's why I have problem with all of them. You see them talking rubbish and making skits in Anambra as if everything, but on Monday they will be sitting at home. On another day they will unalive their own brother or their relation and all of those things. You see, so it's terrible. It's terrible. But at least I had him somehow happy. When Soludo himself, that man shows you why government are not even doing anything. Because what can you do? Sometimes government will lack the logistics and all it takes to begin to go after these boys, Nimofia. Then the people now are left to suffer the consequences of what they created by themselves, because you guys contributed money and supported them and calling them Umuchineke. Now you are calling them Umuoma. You see? So, and that is just the this thing. And then finally, I want to shame people. I want to say shame to Ebuka Obi. Again, I said it in my video. I want to say shame to Ebuka Obi, who thought he could silence your voice. I want to say shame to Ogechi Okeke Njake again, because I said it also in my own listing, who was like blabbing and cussing, and that is hatching a lot of plans, and even saying some of the things that happened to you. Ogechi Okeke actually talked about them as if she was having intel of what they were planning. You see? So, and again, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much for some of my friends who were calling me and asking me after you, and who also helped in one way or the other. I don't want to mention some of their names, but they might be also be watching me here. You understand? So thank you so much, guys, for rallying around and playing our own role in our own way. You understand? So I appreciate all of you, and yeah. So if you have not come to the realization of what we have been telling you people, you better wake up now, because a lot of communities in Igboland are sacked. People are no longer. Yesterday, in one of our platforms, somebody was saying that for how many years that people don't go, like their village has been sacked. He was mentioning the villages that Ndigbo also. He said that apart from the Nigerian Biafra war, that there has never been a time people run away from their community, if not in this period of IPOB, ESN, Onundomen, Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa era. Villages sacked, communities sacked, destroyed, and you are telling me to come and talk about Biafra, to come and talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Why can't you talk about Nnamdi Kanu? Chai, Ndigbo, you cannot mention evil by its name and root it out and have peace. Okay, we continue to wait. About also Agoma. So thank you so much, brother. And then we look forward to how everything will continue to unfold. Thank you.
You're welcome. I know if I'm now what also I go my love. I didn't know but Anna Guje. Because Mbana watch also Agola my land for the chunky according to Uchu. Okay. Okay, Minudu, my brother, how am I going to inbox you? You know I can't text you unless you have to text me. Inbox me, then I will text you. Hold on. Okemini my sister, every time I go to call you. My wonderful people, our brother Nokechukwu, please, I want them, I've not done my appreciation video. I need to appreciate all the people that did their best, those that tried everything, and we know those that ran away. Those that ran away, we are going to pay everyone accordingly. As far as I'm concerned, they are dead to me. Okay? And those that helped in every way, shape, or form, believe me, I really appreciate every bit, every ounce of your mercy, of your grace, of your kindness. Your goodness, I will not take for granted. I really felt it. Even those of you that are praying. I'm not a praying man, but I will not fail to say amen to any good prayer, because I know it's coming from the bottom of your heart. The best thing a Christian or a Muslim can do for you, apart from material gift, is pray. And when someone offers that, don't see it from prism of a religion. No. See it that he's offering what he considers precious. At least he took time, energy. He took a part of his humanity or her humanity to do that. And like I said in that program, see, I have no problem with Christians. I have no problem with Muslims. If you ask those that actually know me, they will tell you, those that run away, hold on. If you ask those that know me, they will tell you that your tribe and your religion is one thing I will never ask you. However you want to communicate with whatever you are communicating with is your business. I cannot come here and say, oh, anyone listening to me, you have to behave like me, you have to do what I'm doing. No. No. Be yourself, do whatever you want to do. But what I will not accept is somebody to come and tell me that Lovett was not a failed RNG miracle. That you drank tea with God. That is blasphemy. That is blasphemy. In fact, you dey whine us that time. That time don't define what we go talk. Jonathan the padlock man, the shit didn't happen. It didn't happen. And we will maintain it that are you understanding me now? So saying that these men don't see God does not mean we are against your religion. No. Your religion is up to you. Okay? I have no problem with any church. In fact, I failed to mention it in the last interview I had, that even for Ikoyi prison, when the charge was doing something in the church, I attended. I did near priest. In fact, they give me seat near the priest. Even there, that's church in Okano, as elder of the church. I sit down with the elders. They play music, I follow dance, I dance well. Fire no burn me. So for those of una where they see me like say, oh, say in fact, invite me for your child education or anything for inside church, you go see me there. If an Anglican, church I go they sing the hymn, I no go they look there, they sing and now me even go they lead them. So no let anybody deceive you. I say he's attacking. I'm attacking Indoshi. Even those that call themselves traditionalists. They are they are talking about now. Who was the first person that started attacking him? Attacking him. Even when Afo Butuzo, Ogwani Afo, J-Pack, he was sucking up to him until you know give back. Okay, now Akwa don't get problem. You know, even one talk about them again. So my people, that's life. La vie comme ça. We are going to keep doing the right things we are convinced are right. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Those that have been reaching out, those that try to reach out. See, you people should stop blaming Chimezio. In fact, there are things I wasn't even telling Chimezio, and there are things even till now I'm not telling him. So those of you that are angry with him or is not releasing any information, what information? So you release it and people will go and start doing rubbish on social media. You don't know who you are telling. You will think you are telling a friend. You will go and tell someone else and they will be saying another thing altogether. After all their noise, all the politicians, all the church leaders, all the whatever, the civil servants, they used all of them, waiting them again, where he land, no be here then they. At the end of the day, he will still come to court. At least for the first time in Nigeria, they will come and prove this miracle. Yes. Before they go tell you, say, you go work for some, you know, go work for them. Now we go bring real sick people, come and heal them. If you can't heal them, then you pay me. Okay? This is how it's done. There is a reason I've been resilient, because there is only one goal I have. Like I've always told people, I will not tell you to do what I myself will not do. All right? No, Chimeze is like a great brother to me. Not is like, he is a great brother to me. I will say it over and over. I didn't realize it with this case. No, I realized it long before this case. Long before this case. See, if you want to know a good Nigerian, make you an undo money thing. If the business goes successfully, everybody collect their own, a good person. If you go successfully, they no give you a hand. No, they say that person naive. When business get problem, no say yes, you get problem, but say the thing go well, and the person called, you know, if you want to talk to you, say, forget. Chimeze is if you have to, in fact, now because of Chimeze, the three Umuahia people where I know, all of them are good people. So Simbajon Neji is blessed on Chimeze. The three of them, now, although I feel no more personal, and I know gonna say that, just like I told you, I don't ask people where they're from. Now you go use your mouth, tell me. Now you go use your mouth, tell me, because I don't grade you, accept or reject you based on where you're from or your religion. No, they do it like that to Oga. Most of the people where they want your downfall now your cousin. So you hear me? So can somebody shout hallelujah? Okay, I think is I can't be mentioning everyone one after the other. Ezawo is my brother. If I go back to Austria now, I'm going to Ezawo's house. Where do I even start? I can't be mentioning people by name. Ezawo did very wonderfully well. Ezawo is a brother to me. Ezawo is, in fact, I know if it was in his power. Do you know the type of people Ezawo had problem with? Ezawo was shouting at Honorable Uche over this case, but he didn't realize there's nothing much Uche will do in this case. Okay, are you understanding me? Are you understanding me? Ezawo had an issue with our Oga Honorable Uche because of me. Other people too. Prince Osinbajo Neji came to Nigeria twice and he came to see me at Ikoyi. There is our brother in Germany. He came to Nigeria 2 times, even one with his German wife. He came there. And I'm sure he will be angry that I've not called him. That phone we are using to communicate, they took it. I lost that phone I was using to communicate with him. Okay? Let me block one Ozu. So many people. I'm not going to remember all of them. Are we talking about lawyers? Esther did not leave my side 1 minute. T was coming to the hospital. I will post my photos on dialysis machine. You know, some people say, oh, it's a lie, he didn't have that thing. That is because we will continue to surprise them. We go to shock them. If I share my videos during dialysis, I wasn't even cutting my hair at some point. If you see the video, you will run. Esther never left my side 1 moment. Apart from Mama Alona, it's Esther and T. Chimeze, they know they can't own. Chimeze was like gone. Guys, there are many and we're also many. We're also many. This one, which one be your problem? Make I no talk IPOB. Make I no talk. Just like in this case, you see that table could be legal whatever. That one will be like GP tank. We no stand where. Where if the lady GP tank where them put hot water inside, you come bend. Do you know what he told me? That he lost what I was doing about IPOB, that I should focus on them and leave Ebukobi alone. That I should focus only on IPOB. Yes. Meanwhile, a senator told me that if I want them to get involved in the case, that I should stop talking about IPOB. I will sign it as undertaking not to speak about IPOB. Yes. Akoranga akona mmadụ. Muna agwa gị sị na ọmụkwuru. If not, it's too much. I mentioned the senator name. And he's the one you least expected to do this, or if you actually know them very well, you will not be surprised. Bless them. In fact, at a point, I told them not to give Bless them my number. This woman can worry. She can complain. Oh, she can worry. Bless them, calm down. This will only take time. It's going, hey, but he's telling you, bless them, cool, only down. She go dey fear. A person where you dey fear for no even dey panic. Eh? He no get choice, make he no watch, or make him bingos no watch. If somebody say Bukobi is watching, if he no watch, him bingos they watch. Is atoro Zion B. Imagine going to court, telling court that they called your people Zion B. Can you imagine? Say they call your people Zion B. I'm bringing pain and suffering to them that admitted this in court, that I'm bringing pain and suffering to them. That one goes with me for belly. If from here sweet me reach there, someone say promote Father Mbaka. My brother, I'm not promoting anyone. I will join everyone to do good and no one to do evil. Hey, yeah. Francis, shall give them hey, yeah. Hey, oh, if you don't know, sorry. All I will see way. Umuozu. Mumpama. Now, for my people, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We are going motherly instincts do go lovely woman. Yeah. So my people, we are going to come back later. We'll keep giving them the tatache. In Soka Pepper, everyone I gonna go they must get sense. Okay, ụmụ ebe na-ebe a na-ebe ka abụzụ, ụmụ ebe na-ebe a na-ebe a na-ebe ka nte, ụmụ ebe na-ebe ejike kings. Daru, my brother, thank you all, have a wonderful morning.